Hapdeng gijing subah balak bandon ke Jingiasnohkti hapdeng kaseng ke basensyar kata ke NPP bat kaseng ke badan hakaliang persyak ke TMC. Menteri rangba ulu pensyai bagan ke jingwan lang ke daibet halor kamat banedai ke Riti Dustur bat ke hok jong kejat benriu. Ke jinglong jingman harilom Garo hakabedai bat ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kelap perlong iki arngut kinong yalam kata Conrad Sangma bu Dr. Mukul M Sangma ban bu syarut iki jingepher hakakamsan perthai. GMDC nagseng TMC bat GMDC klemseng Jingiasnohkti lang bat ke Executive Committee jong ke Council. Bat kini kejing lang kelong kenang benada ya kamat kebedai bat kejing ai Scheduled Tribe Certificate bat ke Riti Dustur jong kejat bendeu Garo. Menteri rangba ulap priang subhai kini kesenjam ke bapalat yuput jong kesengsan perthai na kebentak kabit kebiang jong kejela. Ula kedau bah hakum kini kepor udap da kejing kemen beni pada kebabuk syarut kejing persan perthai. Ka TMC bat GMDC klemseng Jingiasnohkti lang na kebentak ke hok jong pat ba. Loong ba kani kare kubor ke baklan bala bani teli na kebentak kajat benriu.
You see, at this point in time, I am, I should say, very happy to see that keeping the political differences and political positions aside, the TMC and the MDCs of the TMC and the leadership of TMC and some of the independent MDCs, they came together for the rights of the people and for the concerns of the people, especially the tribal community in Garo Hills, especially in Garo Hills. Therefore, this is a very, very positive and a very strong message to the people of Garo Hills that when it comes to the people, that different political parties and leaders go beyond party lines and look at what is good for the people and the state as a whole. And I think this is a shining example of that, and therefore I give my sense of appreciation to the MDCs of the TMC and the independent MDCs, as well as the leadership for taking this very, very correct and bold and very strong stand to support this particular bill and be part of this. Right now, the platform on which we have come together has been on the issue of the tribals' rights and the ST certificate issue, and therefore it is limited to that. Obviously, it's a step that we welcome because, as I said, we have come beyond our political and our party stands and stand united when it comes to the cause of the people, and I think it's a very positive message for the people of our state. Beyond that is something that is not possible for me to comment right now, but we will see how things unfold.